Welcome to another journey through the world of engineering and aviation. Today, we'll explore incredible aircraft, advanced testing procedures, innovative tire technology, and the manufacturing processes that help keep modern aviation safe, efficient, and reliable. What does it take to lift hundreds of tons into the sky? The all-Nippon Airways Boeing 777-300 is one of the world's largest twin-engine airliners. As the engines deliver enormous thrust, the aircraft accelerates down the runway with impressive power and precision. Moments later, the massive jet leaves the ground and begins its climb. Every takeoff showcases the remarkable engineering that makes modern air travel possible across the globe. Before entering service, aircraft must prove they can operate safely in challenging weather. Manufacturers such as Airbus, MC-21, and Bombardier conduct water tests on specially prepared runways. Engineers analyze how water interacts with the landing gear, wings, and engines during high-speed operations. These tests help ensure safe takeoffs and landings in heavy rain, while reducing the risk of hydroplaning or water ingestion. The dramatic sprays may look impressive, but they serve a critical role in aviation safety. The Airbus A350-1000 represents the latest generation of long-haul air travel. Built with advanced composite materials, the aircraft combines strength with reduced weight, helping improve fuel efficiency and performance. Its aerodynamic wing design minimizes drag while maximizing range. Inside, passengers benefit from a quieter cabin and improved comfort, while pilots use sophisticated flight systems to manage operations safely and efficiently. Every detail of the A350-1000 has been designed to meet the demands of modern aviation. It stands as an excellent example of how technology continues to improve aircraft performance while reducing environmental impact. Innovation also extends to tire technology. Retread 360 allows worn tires to be retreaded and returned to service, rather than discarded. Through careful inspection and advanced manufacturing techniques, tire life can be extended safely and efficiently. The process reduces waste, lowers costs, and supports more sustainable industrial operations. Modern retreading facilities use automated equipment to increase productivity and maintain quality. Advanced inspection systems, precision machinery, and improved manufacturing processes help companies restore tires faster and more consistently than ever before. This combination of efficiency and quality demonstrates how technology continues to transform industrial production. Landing requires precision and teamwork. As the TAAG Q400 approaches the runway, pilots carefully guide the aircraft to a smooth touchdown, bringing another successful flight safely to its destination. Against the beautiful scenery of Udaipur, another aircraft begins its journey. As the engines roar and speed builds, the aircraft lifts gracefully into the sky, connecting people and places around the world. Aircraft tires may seem simple, but they are among the most important components of any airplane. Every tire must support enormous loads, withstand extreme speeds, and perform reliably during takeoff and landing. The manufacturing process begins with carefully selected raw materials, including natural rubber, synthetic compounds, steel reinforcements, and specialized chemicals. These materials are mixed using powerful industrial equipment to create precise rubber compounds. Different tire components are then produced separately before being assembled into a structure known as a green tire. The tire is placed into a mold, where heat and pressure transform it into its final shape. This curing process gives the tire its strength, durability, and tread pattern. After production, every tire undergoes extensive inspection and testing. Engineers verify dimensions, structural integrity, and performance under demanding conditions. Unlike ordinary vehicle tires, aircraft tires can often be retreaded multiple times throughout their service life, making them both economical and sustainable. Although passengers rarely notice them, aircraft tires play a critical role in every flight, helping ensure safe operations from takeoff to landing. Few aircraft systems are as important as the landing gear. The Boeing 747 relies on a complex arrangement of wheels, hydraulics, actuators, and locking mechanisms to support its enormous weight. Before entering service, these systems undergo extensive testing. One key evaluation is the landing gear retraction test. Engineers repeatedly cycle the gear between deployed and retracted positions while monitoring performance and reliability. During each test, massive wheel assemblies move through a carefully controlled sequence. Hydraulic systems generate the force required to retract the gear smoothly into the aircraft. Sensors verify every movement, while engineers collect data on timing, pressure, vibration, and structural loads. Any irregularity must be identified and corrected before certification. These tests help ensure that the landing gear can perform safely throughout years of commercial service. While passengers may only see the gear disappear into the fuselage after takeoff, countless hours of engineering and testing make that operation possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of aviation technology and innovation. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and join us again for more amazing engineering stories from around the world.